Welcome to katylinks.com. In this video, I'll show you how to use Analytic Accounting and Odoo 19 to track costs and revenue by project, department, or campaign, from setup to tagging bills to reporting. Open the accounting app. If you don't see analytic options, go to Configuration Settings, enable Analytic Accounting and Analytic Tags or Plans, then save. Next, we'll create an analytic account for our project. Use the command palette with Ctrl+K and type Analytic Accounts, or go through Accounting Configuration Analytic Accounts. Click New, name it Project 1, choose or create a plan if needed, and save. Now let's book a cost to this project. Go to Vendors Bills and create a new vendor bill. Add a line, pick your expense account or product, and open the Analytic field on the line. Choose Project 1 or apply a percentage split if you want to distribute cost across multiple projects. Validate or keep as draft. Odoo will still store the analytic link. To review raw entries, open Accounting Transactions Analytic Items. Here you'll see each cost or revenue line tied to our analytic account. If it's empty in your database, don't worry, it will populate as soon as you post vendor bills, customer invoices, expenses, or timesheets with an analytic account. Let's run reports. Open Reporting Analytic Report to see totals by analytic account, drill down into lines, or pivot by date, partner, and account. You can also filter any financial report with analytics. For example, open Trial Balance, click Analytic, select Project 1, and instantly get a project-specific trial balance. Power tips to automate analytics. Set a default analytic account on a project, a product, or a sales order line to auto-tag revenue and costs. Use analytic distribution models to split one line across multiple projects by percentage. And if you use timesheets or projects, analytic entries are created automatically, no extra steps. That's Analytic Accounting in Odoo 19. Create the analytic account, tag your transactions, and report your margins by project or department in seconds. If this helped, like and subscribe, and visit katylinks.com for full Odoo training and services.